kerstpakkettenmarkt in het Dolfinarium in Olsarderwijk. Gaat u met me meekijken? Geniet van de beelden en het geluid.
So tender and light, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. It's the most wonderful time of the year, with a kiss jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all, with those holiday greetings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long ago.
I feel like Christmas. What about you guys?
You look like an old Christmas tree.
It's gonna be a wild Christmas, baby. Trust me. Guys, I really feel like a white Christmas.
And I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, where every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the field we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, and making spirits bright. Oh, what fun is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you you done? Another year over, and a new one just begun. And so this is Christmas. I hope you have fun, the near and the dear ones, the old and the young. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear. War is over if you want it. War is over now. War is over if you want it. War is over
AK13 TV, van en voor Harderwijkers en Dierenaren. Wees u prettige feestdagen en een gelukkig 2014.